كيف حالك؟ كويس؟ السلام عليكم عياد. كيف حالك؟ كويس؟ كيف يجي هذا المستشفى هذا قبل يجي فور عملية؟ مية مية. और من يجي هذا في مستشفى كيف هذا أول يجي كويس هذا دكتور كويس هذا مستشفى كويس كله كويس. مين دكتور؟ شو اسمه؟ دكتور رامداس. और عياد مية مية. और كله هذا في نفر यहाँ هنا كويس كله كويس هذا في خاصة تمنا and دكتورة سنيدي and كلهم يا ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. كيف هذا في عملية عياد كويس؟ بعد عملية في هذا ركب هذا في غرفة كله كويس هذا نفر يجي كويس هذا ممرضة كله زين. كيف عملية كويس؟ يا بعد عملية في يجي هذا هنا كله ممرضة يجي كيف هذا في شغل هنا في هذا غرفة كين और दवा फी अल्लाह अकेला दौल फीजी वादा कोइस मिया मिया और क्लीन सभी कुल्लो क्लियो मादा फी सभी क्लीन कुल्लो अदा كيف सर्वोदय हॉस्पिटल अस्पताल मुस्तशफा कोइस क्या मिया मिया या واجد هذا في الروك وهذا في العراق بعدين في الشوف هذا في ثاني مريض هذا في سوا سوا تمنا في كل يوم هذا في كلامه في مستشفى أول اللي في يجي بعدين يجي هنا ها هي لازم مرة ثانية انت يجي سوا سيم هذا مستشفى زين خلاص كويس.
all well.
هذا تقدير دكتور بنش هذا في النجيب هذا بنش هذا كله عملية سوا سوا دكتور موجود هذا معلوم هذا رامداس هذا سوا سوا موجود هذا دكتور في عمليات هذا عياد دكتور نيورو سيرجن دكتور رامداس اليوم في هنا موجود سوا سوا. तो वनिंदे يجي هذا عياد هنا مستشفى دكتور رامداس هذا كل يوم هذا في سوا سوا هذا مريض في دكتور كيرن ريدي هذا أنستيست هذا تقدير كامل هذا في سوا سوا عياد all time all समय هذا مستشفى في عمليات غرفة موجود. كيف هذا دكتور رامداس और
دكتور رامداس صوت حتى في مصر يعني أظل أفتخر به بالعراق. بالعراق أظل أشوف فيهم يقولون الدكتور رامداس هو العالج هو دكتور
كيران
دكتور كيران هو دكتور كيران عالجني يعني بالعراق يعني أظل أشوف فيهم الصور مالته.
كويس مية مية.
دكتور.
He will see in Iraq. He will, every time he can see your photo and Dr. Reddy also.
Oh, sure.
Yes. And then you both of them are good, and then I will see every day your photos and everything.
Right. So let me tell you in brief, this boy is a patient of tumor which is arising next to the vertebral column. It is called Ewing sarcoma, a very rare tumor and a very bad tumor. He was operated in 2011. So then when he came, he had back pain and he could not walk. There was weakness in both the legs. So that time he was operated in Faridabad itself. And then he became alright. He started walking. That was the time he was diagnosed to have a tumor which arises from the bones and the adjacent muscles. So the tumor was removed and required chemotherapy and radiotherapy was given and he was discharged. He went back to Iraq, but now after 2 years he again started having pain, and then he had pain going into the lower limbs, from the back to the lower limbs. So when this happened, they got worried because they knew there was a tumor earlier for which he was operated. So he was investigated there and we found there was a recurrence of the tumor. Now because of that, we called him here. They contacted us. We saw the investigations. Then I realized he's got a recurrence of the tumor and it is compressing the spinal cord. He started having early symptoms of weakness in the lower limb, and it was evident if we don't treat him, he will end up being paraplegic. That means he'll have no power in the legs. So he came within a week, and then we could operate. It was a major surgery. It took me about 10 to 12 hours because the tumor was not only involving the vertebra, it had grown so much that it has gone to touch the kidney in the front. And had we left him, it would have become bad. So this was a difficult surgery because the tumor was very vascular also. But we were successful in removing most of the tumor. Now the unfortunate part is he also has, the tumor has spread to the rest of the body. There is small tumor, evidence of small tumor in the ribs, in the other vertebrae and in the sacrum. And he has got one speck in the lungs also. So what that means is that although we have taken out the local tumor, he will still require chemotherapy and radiotherapy. So today is the seventh day after surgery, and everything is going on well. And tomorrow we are planning to discharge him. Okay. So how are you? Are you feeling good?
Good.
Huh? Okay. Unfortunate thing is I don't understand his language, but we tend to communicate still, and we have an interpreter who will help us through that. And the important thing is this surgery was a difficult surgery because it was a very vascular tumor, and we have Dr. Kiran Reddy with us. Come Kiran. Okay. So he is a neuroanesthetist. He is a specialist in giving anesthesia to neurology patients. And with his help, we could conduct this difficult surgery, which lasted about 10 hours. So here we have a team, we have a full team of neurosurgery. Our junior is missing today. So far it's been good, and all is going as planned, and inshallah it will continue. Now he will get chemotherapy after 2 weeks, and after chemotherapy we hope that whatever tumor is spread to the remaining parts of the body, that is also destroyed, and then he has good life. Thank you.
I love you, Doctor.
Oh great, I love you too. I love you too. God bless. Good? Huh? Blue hair? No. Good. Okay. Come. Walk on your own, I am leaving you. Okay, wait. Can you lift one leg? Yes. Lift the other one.
Honey?
Yes. Good. You're falling now. Okay. Good. Come. Get back to sleep. Okay. Good.
Mia.
Oh, very good. Okay, so he's restored back to normal.